MLToys here to talk about our high voltage foot plunger switch for Power Wheels and Perego brand ride-ons. This switch looks very similar to the gas pedal switch that you have in your car stock. You'll notice the writing is very different on it. The internals of the switch is what's all changed on it, and it's able to handle up to 24 volts of SLA batteries. You can use 6 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, or 24 volt. You can also use it with 18 to 20 volt lithium batteries, as long as you're also using the lithium module that we have on the website. Now, before you purchase this, we do encourage you to look at the bottom of your existing foot pedal and make sure that you don't have corrosion going on the connector harness that plugs into this. If you do, we have the option to get these spade connectors that you can put on instead. These little guys are very easy. They just crimp on. It's a quick, easy upgrade. Will save you a lot of headaches. The worst thing that you can do is have your stock one fuse in the on position while your kid is driving because you modified the car, and then it just doesn't stop. We don't like it when that happens. So another cool, fun upgrade for your ride-on from MLToys.